In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile version in Hostinger Website Builder. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and click on Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage your site and make changes to its design and content. From there, click Edit Website to open the Hostinger Website Builder. Give it a moment to load fully so you can access all of the editing tools without any issues. Once the editor is open, you'll be able to work on the look and layout of your site. At the top of the editor, you'll see a mobile icon. Click on that icon to switch from the desktop view to the mobile view. This is the section where you can start editing how your website appears on phones and smaller screens. It's important to review this version carefully because a design that looks good on desktop may not always display properly on mobile. As you check the mobile layout, pay close attention to your text, images, and sections. If any text is cut off, too small, or not visible, you'll need to adjust it. The same goes for sections that look misaligned, too large, or difficult to read on a mobile screen. You can move elements around, resize them if needed, and make sure the spacing feels clean and easy to follow. If a section doesn't appear correctly, adjust the section itself as well as the elements inside it. This could include text boxes, images, buttons, or other content blocks. The goal is to make everything fit naturally on the mobile screen, so visitors can scroll through your site without confusion. Take your time here because small layout changes can make a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your site looks on a phone. As you work, it's a good idea to preview the page visually and make sure everything is readable and properly arranged. Focus on clear spacing, visible text, and a layout that feels simple and organized. Mobile users usually browse quickly, so a clean design is especially important. Once you're done making your changes and you're happy with how the mobile version looks, click Update Website. This will save and publish your edits so the updated mobile version becomes live. And that's it. That's how to edit the mobile version in Hostinger Website Builder.